Good morning, everyone. So today we will have our next activity, and that's going to be the vegetable lesson 3 for Photoshop. So I have my Photoshop here. All you need, first thing you need to do is to insert the picture. By the way, this picture will be posted on your Google Classroom for you to download. Okay. So first thing you need to do, you need to file, open, select the picture. So file, open, then the picture. So the picture is going to be this one. All right. So this is going to be the picture. And once again, going back to uh, some shortcut keys that we discussed, Control plus, Control minus is going to be for zoom in and zoom out. All right. So after that, just go ahead and put it here. So after that, we wanted to trace this one here, so we will select magnetic lasso tool once again. So right click, magnetic lasso tool. So you just have to trace the head or this fruit or this vegetable. Then we'll make this as the face of your picture. So after that, it's already been selected. All you need to do is to right click. Okay, then layer via copy. Right click, layer via copy. After that, it will be shown here on the layer part. So what I want you to do, guys, is to rename layer 1 to head. Okay, by double click layer 1. All right, so double click for layer 1 and change that to face. All right, so because that's going to be our face. Next, we'll just trace this one here because this will become your ears. So I'll go right click, layer via copy once again. If you will be getting this error, that is because the one that's selected here is face. Face is empty. Okay, let me invisible this one. As you can see, it's empty. So for us to don't get this error, okay, you just need to select background. So right click, layer via copy. Again, rename it, put it to ears. So this one also, because this will become our nose. Right click, layer by copy. Again, what's this error again? It's because background is not selected. So click background, right click layer via copy. After that, again, put the name here as nose. Next is the eyes. Okay, right click layer via copy. What's this error again? It's because background is not selected. Click layer via copy. This is the eyes. This small one is also the eyes. So right click layer via, again click background, click layer via copy. I don't know, eyelid or kalimutaw. Okay. Next is this one. By the way, if you want to be more creative with this activity, you want to, make your own face using these vegetables, then that's okay with me. Okay, that's highly appreciated. That means you're using your creativeness. Okay, so again, click background, right click layer via copy. Slightly the one you put here. I don't know what yeah, just put it next. Since I'm not familiar with that, this one. It's going to be your key line for your eyebrows. Okay, so background, right click layer via copy. Eyebrows. Next is this one. This will be your, like the chef one. I don't know if you're familiar with this. They had one part. 1 second. Okay, so right click background, then click right layer via copy. This is going to be the hat. All right. And last one, this one. So yeah, again, click background, right click, layer via copy. And this is going to be your, um, say, your mouth, small mouth. Okay. All right. So once done, what we will be doing now, since we have all the pieces, we will go ahead and again, the use of this one is invisible and then visible. Okay. Invisible, visible. So we want this, we want to invisible the original copy, and we will now start moving. So I'll click on move tool, and this here's the catch. Whatever you wanted to move, guys, you need to click the layer. So example, you want to move this eyes here, so you click on eyes here for it to move. Because the tendency, if you want to move the eyes and then, I mean, you want to select the face, you want to move the face, even though the cursor is here, you cannot move it because the eyes layer is selected. That's the reason why we put names on the layer so that it will be easier for you to drag. All right, so like this one, face. Okay, this is the face. So we'll look at the eyes. We'll put it here. So what happened here is that the eyes is at the bottom, okay, of face, because face here is at the top. So layers is like plates on top on each other. So if the face is at the top, meaning all the other things is going to be at below. So in order for it to move forward, we need to move down the face. Move it down to the bottom. So what's going to happen when you click on eyes, when you put it here, it's going to be on top of it. All right. So we have the eyelid. Put the eyelid here at the top. Again, the rulings here. Put the eyelid at the top of the eyes. All right. So that it will go like this. So I wanted to do like that. So I wanted to duplicate this. I'll hold on control. Okay. Move now the layers by clicking the move tool. Okay. After that, um, um, we have to assemble. So in duplicating, again, just hold control on the eyelid and eyes, and then you want this to merge. Okay, merge layers. Okay, merge layers. Hold, hold control button, then click the layers to merge. Right click, merge layers. Okay. So after that, I will duplicate this. So right click, duplicate layer, then press enter. So that you can get the duplicate of this one. So as you can see, eyelid and eyelid copy. So after that, we'll go to the ears. I mean the eyebrows. Okay, it's here. So if you want this to be duplicated once again, all you need to do is right click, duplicate layer, then press enter. Then you drag it to the right. And in order for this to be, rotated, you need to click um, rotate. Is you need to transform it, transform, then right click. Okay. Okay. So right click, and then I mean Control T, then right click, then rotate. So it's like that. So right click, flip vertical, or right click, flip horizontal. There. So flip horizontal. All right. So after that, select the nose. Huh? So again, you can be creative. You can change the nose. Okay. Just press Control T. Okay. After that, the mouth. Okay. The mouth is in here. After that, the we call this the hat. Okay. Put it here. The hat. Okay. If you want to press Control T, you can do this like that. The horn. And then after that, the ears. Press Control T, and you want to do that to it like this. Okay, you want this to be the below the face, so it should be below the face. It's like that. So again, right click, duplicate layer. Again, So the next thing you need to do is after you duplicated it, again, let me just go ahead and do it again. I right click on it and duplicate layer. I press enter and then drag it to the right because it has duplicated already ears and ears copy. So ears copy. So for it to be rotated, press Control T, right click, and you can select flip vertical or flip horizontal. Okay, like that. Flip horizontal. So that's going to be your ears. If you want it to be tiny, you can do that. You can just, manipulate the picture, whatever. As for me, I want it to be simple. So for the sake of instruction, I'm just gonna do that. I'll press enter. So after that, lastly is this one. This is the color or something. So since I don't know what's that, I'm just I use next. So click neck and then I put it here. If you want it to be bigger, you can control T and have it bigger. All right. So after that, that's all. So by the way, if you want this to be moved in the middle part, you can just highlight everything. Okay. Press Control, click once, or just have to press Shift here, hold Shift, then press ears. Then immediately everything will be highlighted. Again, take note that whatever is highlighted here, when you click on move, will be the one that is moving. So if you only select one, only one will be moving. Okay, so that's the use of layers. After that, okay, so you're good with this one. Again, don't forget to put some names here. Put your name here for us to make sure that you are the one who made your activity. Okay. So vegetables, Photoshop activity. So I want to change the font color. Um, I click here and then change it to white. Click OK. Click move and it's going to be like this. And again, you want to change if you want to have stroke here, right click, then blending options and click stroke. Okay. And you want to have shadows, you can do so. Check the distance, the spread, all right, and the size. So if you're confident with that, you can duplicate that by right click, duplicate layer, click OK, and then you can put here your name. Okay. All right, so that should be all. All you need to do is file, save as, and put here on the vegetables. Make sure you put here JPEG, and then click save, and then click OK. And that's all. Uh, so this is your finished product. So when you click on this one, go here. All right. So that will be all, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to inform me. I'll be willing to assist you. Okay. Thank you so much, and watch out for our activity number 4.